Everybody, Mike here. Thanks for watching. We're going flying today. I know it's been a while, but weather's been crummy and issues. Anyways, we're out here at the Nooksack River. We're gonna go out there and just fly around and get some stick time and get some pictures of the pretty green trees, that's all. Anyways, we're flying the 8-inch quad with the Naked Blackmagic Cinema camera again. Let's go do it. Okay, let's go flying, I guess, huh?
And you're off.
That sucker's windy, man. Whoa, I just felt a breeze.
It's flying level.
I'm flying level.
Mm-hmm, you're doing good.
We should look at the home point. Right?
Right.
Telephone lines, big yellow cliff. We're at the big yellow cliff meets the...
The trees back here.
This is kind of where this hole is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Altitude, 30 feet.
Well,
I see us.
Yeah, we're not undercut where we are.
No, we're not, are we?
No.
Imagine we should go down to the deck and look for sticks and stuff.
Okay.
Okay, I gotta watch for line of sight. Okay, we're still recording. Watch my battery power here. Pointing down to the river. Rit?
Oh, there it is.
Are you pointing down to the river?
I'm pointing down the river.
Okay, thank you.
You're good.
I'm gonna turn around and look
Yep.
at what's behind here. And look at us. Oh, I see us.
Uh-huh.
I see me almost blocking us. Right?
Right.
Almost.
Almost. Not quite.
Okay, 600 amps. There's a bush right there, a big log in the river.
Mm-hmm.
We want to stay on this side of the river, don't we?
I see that. Yeah. Now you're on the right side of the river coming across here.
The receiver's getting a little warm. I see the sparkles on the screen.
Uh-huh. We didn't turn the fan on, did we?
No, but we'll live with it. That's just on our screen. So where's the bend?
Bend is on down further.
Really?
You're right in front of us now.
Okay, I'm right in front of us now.
Now you're past us and you're headed off to your right.
So now I got to turn around, don't I?
I'll tell you, you're getting close to the bend down there.
Oh, I see. I'm going to look at this way from this way. You can barely see us.
Yep. We're sort of tucked in here.
Oh, I see. We are... Where are we? We're in the shadow there.
You're in the shadow right there. You're coming up on us here.
Okay, point to the quad.
Okay.
You probably are, right?
I'm trying here.
Pointing up the river. Yeah, the receiver's getting warm. Here's that tree.
Yeah, there's that tree, yeah. I see it.
Us on the tree. Watch the signal break up a little bit. Hardly any. Okay. It's flying good. 1300. Rescue not available. It lost GPS for a second there.
Yeah.
Now it's available. 8. Wonder why. Don't see that very often.
Well, we got these solar storms going on. They said it could knock out GPS too. Interfere with GPS.
Maybe that's part of the scenario today.
Yeah.
So let's just go over. We always know we can put it down on the island here and walk to the damn thing if we had to.
If we have to.
I've been down here with Lisa.
Uh-huh.
You're pointing down the river, I mean, right?
Right.
Towards the island of trees.
Right.
I'm going to go over the top of the island of trees.
I'm pointing right at you.
There's the glinting logs in the distance, and there's the bridge.
Yeah.
There's the glinting logs underneath me, I think.
Uh-huh, that's them. And then this is that little cut through there, a stream.
Yeah. We're good all the way coming back on this, if I recall.
We're good coming back. I'll see you coming out here in just a minute.
Can't go too far to the right, if I recall.
No, you can't. But
there's a log there, straight log. I'm going to come down.
I see your exit point right there. I know where you are.
I'm headed to the exit point. There's some little twigs here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go down the exit point.
Yep.
And go down the river.
Okay. I'm pointed right at you.
You can see the river there.
Mm-hmm. Nice flying. Coming up on us here. I've got eyes on you, visual. Right in front now.
Okay.
Passing to your right. On the bank over there, far bank.
Turning around. 6 minutes into the flight. We're going to go over the trees here. Oh, there's the stream down there.
Uh-huh.
We're going to set the file. We're going to break the file, okay?
Break the file. We're at almost 2400.
Here we go. Watch for asterisks. Okay.
Yep.
Started and restopped. Okay, good. 2400.
2400.
Cool. Can you see the end of this right side of this little island right here for your eyeballs?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can see it.
So I could go down that.
I can see the right side of the island. You got clearance on the right.
Okay, I'm gonna go down the river here a little bit. We probably got a little break up here.
Okay.
After doing this. Pointed down the river.
Yeah, you're headed for the bend.
Whoa, big log. See that?
Yeah, I saw that.
Holy schmoly.
Coming up on the island of trees there.
Boy, I could have slammed into that.
That was close.
Let's go look at that. Okay, we're at 2700. What was that? There it is, right there.
There it is.
Dude!
It's a tree down sticking up over the river.
It's near this piles here.
Uh-huh.
That's a widowmaker.
Yeah.
Lots of branches sticking up on it too. Look at that.
Right. I don't think you can fly underneath it.
I could if I had the guts, but I don't have the guts, man. I'm too much of a wuss. And what if I have a oops? I go into the water.
It looks like it's about 8 feet off the water or something.
I probably
like that.
could fly it, but I ain't that good. So you're telling me if I follow this bank, I won't lose our line of sight? Or will I? Right here.
You're good there.
I'm still good?
Yeah, you're still good.
Well, we're starting to break up a little bit, maybe?
When you get to the bend, you're going to be in trouble here. So you gotta stop there.
Nine minutes in, 3200.
There you go. You're coming right up on us.
Yeah, look at this erosion.
Uh-huh.
So there's talk of moving the road.
Oh, really?
Long-term plan, because this keeps encroaching into the road. They moved the telephone poles. I see us now.
You see us? I got you too. I see you.
Okay, point up the river.
Yep. Going up the little creek there.
We're going to go
channel.
back this way.
Okay.
To the glinting logs.
Okay.
Come on, bug, get off my leg. I can see the glinting logs, right?
Yeah, there they are. Now you got to turn around.
I'll go high.
Go high, okay.
We'll do this.
Okay, now I got you.
This tree in the foreground is giving us an occasional, oh, big log thing.
Uh-huh. There's your log right there coming up. Oh, you're on the other side of it. Good.
I forgot about it.
Oh, I didn't.
Say something next time.
You were over on the other bank, so you were good. Now I'm going to lose you if you go too deep in here.
Okay. "11 minutes. We're going to break a file here in a minute. 4,100.
4,200 right now.
Okay, let's film some trees here. Let's 4,200. Point out to the trees out front.
4,300.
Okay. Straight out.
Straight out.
Tell me when I got to turn around. Bet the bend.
There's the bend.
Okay, we got 12 minutes into our flight. I'm going to break the file again.
Okay.
After I just do this little nice pano here.
4,500.
Okay, good. Okay, we broke the file and restarted it. Okay, let's do this. Let's go down. I'm gonna go down to the treetops at the bend where we lose our line of sight.
Okay.
Turn around so I can see us. So I can keep my eye on us. Okay, I see us.
You see us.
Barely.
Barely. Now there's a tree, might cause a little bit of interference there.
Trying to do is get a shot like...
Well, you're coming right over the top there. That's
what
good.
I'm trying to do is get a...
Oh, you're clear all the way now.
Get some green foliage imagery here.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna get a little signal break up here.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me when I'm straight out.
I can't hardly see you.
Okay, I should be at the bend here. I'm
You
coming
should
around
be.
to the bend to the right.
Yep.
And I'm gonna go down low on the bank below the trees on the right.
Okay.
Straight out.
Gotcha.
Okay, 5,100, just watch power. We're gonna go up, aim it upstream.
5,200 milliamps.
Aim it upstream.
Gotcha.
Up the little creek. We're gonna head back and snake over the island here.
Okay.
But just aim it upstream.
I am. Back to the tree.
This guy.
5425 here.
Okay, we're aiming to the far island. 54, good. Give me readouts on that when you can. I'm going to go back to the creek, to the glint.
Okay. Okay, coming out on the river.
Gotta watch my voltage now, 5,600. Okay, 5,600, 5,700. 3.23 volts, okay. You can see the river bend behind these trees that are right, can't you?
Yes, I can.
So I can come down on the river here. That's that tree in the foreground making our signal, Wakey.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot about the big log. Shit.
Watch out for it.
Huh. Okay, pointing down to the river, right?
Right.
Down below us almost.
Almost.
Trying to fly sideways a little bit here.
Got eyes on you.
Money shot. $6,500, 3.2 volts. Okay, we need to land at 8.
Okay.
We're out 1,200 feet. We're almost 18 minutes in, 17 minutes in. Good. Okay, you can see these trees on the left bank, can't you?
Yeah.
A little bit.
A little bit. I can see that channel coming down through there. There's just one spot where you go too far and then I can't.
Okay, I'm on the top of the trees at the left bank.
I see you.
And then, yeah, I can't follow the channel too far to the right,
Right,
can
you
I?
see that little crook in the bend right in front of you on
Yeah.
the right there. That's
Okay, let's take stock of what we got going here. 7,000. We got to land at 8.
7,000 milliamps right there.
Let's not push it.
Okay.
Why press our luck? I'll do a little looking around here. Can you see this tree in the water with your eyes?
Yes, I can. I can see it.
$7,200. I think what I'll do is I'll come into land. That way, if I have a missed approach, I got power to do it again.
You got power to do it again. Yeah. You should have some pretty good footage.
I got good voltage though. See, I'm climbing. My voltage is dropping.
You got an 18-minute flight in now, almost 19.
35 feet up. Okay, we're coming on approach corridor. I'm going to go right over my right shoulder.
Okay.
That's the plan, and land that way, right?
Uh-huh.
Not much wind, is there, right now?
No, it's quiet now.
$7,500.
I see you. You're doing good. You're coming right in over your right shoulder now.
I'm just going to put it down anywhere, man.
You're doing good. You're in. Look for your target to your right there. You're on it. 2 feet, 3 feet. Not up or down now.
Oh, too hard.
Yeah, but it was right on it. You're
Okay.
sitting on it.
Okay, we're going to power down. I'm sitting on it.
Yep, you're sitting on it.
That's a first. 19-minute flight.
19-minute flight.
Max altitude 106 feet. That's one for the record book. Good job, Jim. And I'm getting in the sun here, getting warm.
Reduce VTX power, save and exit.
I did that. I need to stop the recording.
Stop the Blackmagic.
Blackmagic. All right. We did it. Yay. I can't believe I hit the target. Whoa.